different phase, a quiet map of time in borrowed grace. The golden summer years have slipped away. The autumn leaves are turning soft and gray. The shadows grow, the sun begins to bend, but every silver river finds an end. Oh, raise your voice, let grand emotions rise. We find our truth beneath the fading sky. The storm is past, the ocean calls us home. The house is quiet now, the nest is bare, but golden memories linger in the air. We built our lives on faith and steady hands, leaving our footprints deep in shifting sands. Shadows grow, the sun begins to bend, but every silver river finds an end. The final pages turn, yet there are lessons left for us to learn. The fire burns low, but still it gives us light to guide our steps into the quiet.